Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change font size of the menu in Photoshop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Photoshop. Once you open, you simply need to click on edit. And once you click on that, you simply need to go into the preference. Here you need to click on interference. So once you are on the interface, you simply need here you can see UI font size. Currently it is small, you can make it medium or you can make it large. So it is up to you. Once you done that, you simply need to click on OK, and after that your font will be changed. So this is the process how you can change font size of the menu in Photoshop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.